Hello, name is Michael and I'm back with a new unboxing. This time it will be from my new watch, which is a Casio G-Shock. Bought this from the store and I will do a quick unboxing on it. As you know, it comes in a normal box and it's inside is the another box. This time it's made of metal. It's pretty nice. It's a nice box for a watch, but of course we know the main thing is inside the box. So there it is. This is my my new watch, a Casio G-Shock. The model, I believe it's written right here. Hope you can see. Okay, this is the AW5901R. Don't know if it's very important. So let's see the watch. This is the watch itself. I think it looks pretty good. It's not much to say about these watches. It has a lot of things. I don't know exactly all the details about it. Maybe I'll do another video on it later. Just wanted to show on video how the watch looks, the box. There's nothing in there except the paperwork, warranty, and that sort of things. So I'm going to give it a very quick let's see how this looks. As you can see, I have my wrist is very small size. I don't know. I wear a very small size on watches, but I'm happy with this. Looks great. So that's it. Just wanted to show you my new watch. Nothing more. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.